Welcome to Method's Tip of the Week, where we share our workers' comp expertise with you. Research shows that over 90% of motor vehicle crashes are due solely to human error. Drivers with poor motor vehicle records, or MVRs, are more likely to repeat behaviors leading to crashes or citations. So obviously, proper driver selection is a critical part of an effective fleet safety program. Evaluating a driver's MVR has proven to be one of the most effective tools for reducing fleet safety risks. Consistently applying a scoring system that assigns higher points to the more severe violations enables an effective MVR review process. We recommend evaluating MVRs from at least the previous 5 years to determine if a driver has an acceptable, marginal, or unacceptable driving record. Just for you, Method has launched an online driver screening tool. We encourage you to use this in developing an MVR review process tailored to your business. Our interactive tool scores violations on a point range from 1 to 10, depending on the severity of the violation. Now keep in mind, the results do not guarantee a driver's performance, but reviewing MVRs greatly increases the likelihood of selecting a safe driver. The tool allows you to print or email results, breaking violations down by minor, serious, major, and drug or alcohol-related offenses. Check out our free online driver screening tool link below. And if you have any questions, please email safety@methodinsurance.com. Thanks for watching Method's Tip of the Week. See you next time.